fuck not. Ah, bro. Nigga. Bro, it's like a 1.21 RR. It's so shite, bro. It's actually so shite. Didn't break, bruh. 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 Almost came in late again. Freaking hell. I only have 2 things to watch today. Yeah, like EU, GU, and USD CAD for May 2nd, Friday. This was the trade I was thinking was gonna happen. Not yet, at least, I guess. Alright, whatever, man. This GU hasn't done anything yet. It's just been accumulating more orders. And USD CAD. Looks like it actually might go up and actually make a little something there, so I'm gonna be happy about that one for sure. With that, I'm gonna wait another 30 minutes or 15, depending on EU if it wants to give me an entry by breaking below the Model 1. So yeah, I'll be back in 15 minutes and see what happens. Bro, I keep forgetting about this fucking thing. 13296, 0.13296, 0.13296, 1.13296. My bad, dog. My bad. 1.13296. Right. 1.13551. Alright. And then. So this trade is probably going to be entered. Risking like what? $3. That's not what I really want to risk, but I have to take the valid setups. You know, they're valid for a reason, so. Ugly ass trade, bro. What is this? $2.50 for you. Ugly ass motherfucker. Whatever, man. Okay. One 1.3025. 13025. Get the clock. Alright, that should be enough. I know I'm risking $2, which is a lot, but and it's not even that much of a good RR, but you know, I have to take the valid trades. They're valid for a reason, so yeah. They are indeed valid for a reason. Maybe like the best entry would be this FEG, but I'm not gonna go that. I'm not gonna do that. Just gonna take the trade and be done. Just gonna take the damn trade and be done, bro. I don't mind losing $2 for following my strat. It is what it is, yo. It is what it is. Still not entered yet. Fucking hell. Oh, we are. Alright, cool. On TradingView, it apparently didn't enter yet, so it's probably gonna do some shit, isn't it? I hate this, but whatever. It's entered in, so we have to start journaling about it. It's a very shite RR, but you know, it is what it is. You can't really You can't really do much about 4-star R's. There's just what it is. It's not like I can do like a random ass fucking, RR, static RR or anything. I just gotta roll with what I can. May 2nd, 2025. 2025. 2025. Oh my god. It's a crazy thing because that will actually be real in 20 years, which is. Uh, Valid, so I'm entered in. I want to really say it's like an A plus setup because it's a shite RR, but from what I have, it is what it is. So the RRs you like, they equal out, so they don't. I don't really care about them as long as they're like above 1.1 or just a 1 to 2. As long as they're above that, I will be fine. I'm actually expecting to lose this one. As usual, I never expect to win anything because doing that is worse. So, yeah, we are definitely entered in 1.12. What was it? The fuck? But I thought it was 1.2 something, but damn. 1.12. Okay, I can go ahead and do that. 1.12. I believe I've had worse RRs maybe. So, not really that much of a shock, I guess. Yeah, euro actually. A plus 1.21 RR. Shite. Oh, it's actually a sell. My bad. My bad. Short. Very short. 1.13296. Okay. 1.13296. 1.13551. 1.3025. Okay. Oh wait, 1.13025, right? Yeah. So I can either lose $2.6 or gain 2.66 dollars. So yeah, that's it. It's a very shite RR, but we have to roll with it because it's a valid trade. That is very. Yeah, I probably should have put like the entry on this FEG, but I'm just following my rules. I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, I'm probably gonna see 27s. That's fine. Wow, that is a very volatile. God damn, it's a whole ass reversal looking ass thing. It's like a whole ass reversal. What is this? What the flip is this? What the flip is this? Kaboom. IFAG. Breaker. Entering on the FVG. Ooh. Ooh, wow. 2022 model, I think? I don't know. I've been scrolling through Twitter and I see some random shit like that and like it do be what it be. Nothing beats uh CRT though. Like CRT, yeah. You could definitely like refine the entries all the way refine up the entries and all that. This being the breaker, right? That little low. It being closed up, you can enter here on the 1. You can enter here on the 5. And on the 15, you can enter here as well, same place. Actually, no. But yeah. 30-minute, I guess it IFVG'd. Maybe you'd enter on this. I don't fucking know. And then boom, oh, that's a CRT. Oh, that's a CRT to the upside. Oh no, I'm gonna get stopped out. No. Oh no, I'm gonna get stopped out. Oh shit, we're gonna get cooked. Gonna get cooked for sure. Alright, I'm gonna just leave that be, bro. Honestly, I've already accepted I've lost because usually it doesn't go all. I mean, yeah, actually, I've seen it 180. I think it was like what, the 3rd trade on this channel. 180 lol. That one where it just instantly reversed out of nowhere. It do be what it be, bro. It do be what it be. This is the order block. Or not. I actually don't know. I actually don't know. CISD, right? This one specific candle. No, this candle, I think. Being closed below. I don't know, man. I'm just like fucking around, really. I don't actually know what I'm doing. I'm just trying to sound smart. Someone definitely gotta explain why it just instantly shot up like that. Someone has definitely gotta explain. Got some explaining to do, bro. Like this looks like the same thing as yesterday, bro. Just fucking bullish trend right after I goddamn enter, which is crazy. Stop hunt. IFVG, breaker, enter on the FVG. Where is the FVG? Right, stop hunt, breaker, gets closed here. Enter on any FVG. I guess, I don't know, like, I'm gonna wait for an inversion as well, and then, yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. I really don't. You could technically enter right here, like just on this candle. Just enter. Enter a long 1 to 2. It'd be hit by now, I think. Maybe a little bit higher, but you know, the blue line. The key level. Actually, why is the key level going all the way through? That's not what's supposed to happen. The key level is supposed to be here. Or something, I don't fucking know. Yeah, like right here. That's fine. Yeah, that thing is fucking flying. Oh god. There's like some news or something? I don't think there is. Probably not. Let's actually go make sure. Paranoid AF. Not really. It's Friday, 2nd of month. Color me surprised. Non-farm employment. Unemployment rate. Oh god, we have 3 voters in an hour from now. That is. Oh no. That's gonna be really hurtful. I would like at least want it to like hop around until like 8:30, right around here, where it can actually do the news, and then we'll see it. I would rather take the news stop out rather than like an organic normal stop out because that's just who I am. All right, I'll be back, man. Right, it is about to drop news. The killer of all traders. Oh boy. Funny thing is, it actually came back to my entry. I don't know, but yeah, it did. I just trust my model. My model works. It's actually not my model. It's Romeo's model. Credits to him, the actual market maker over there. All right, come on, let's see what happens. 3 red folder news. I'm expecting to be stopped out, so if I do, I don't really mind. I don't mind at all. Oh my god! Jeez! What the fuck? Dude! That thing just fucking slammed down. What is that, bro? Oh, come on. It didn't hit. Seriously? Damn, man. Bro, look at how fucking... Damn, that gap down is crazy. I should probably actually no, I'm gonna put on 1.32296 bet 1.32 32296. Fuck, wait, no 1.32 1.3296 1.32296 no 1.13296. Fuck, 1.13296. Jesus. Yeah, we're no longer losing any money, so that's a W. Jeez, bro, this is a fucking... That thing dropped hella crazy, bro. you saw that, right? What was a hella crazy of a drop, man? I'm gonna wait though. I don't mind if it comes to break even. I don't really mind. Apparently on TradingView it already hit, but on MetaTrader it hasn't. And I do not like when it fucking does that. It is so annoying when it does that. Genuinely annoying as hell. But you've just gotta live with it some days. Some days, it's just how the trade, the brokers be. I'm assuming this thing's like gonna fucking try and fill up all these gaps and everything. We're actually gonna get we're gonna lose this trade or actually get break even. That's fine, I don't mind. Wow, look at all this. Look at how fast that thing's coming back up. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Poof down, poof up, bro. Crazy. I'm not gonna worry. I already got a win if it breaks even, so I don't mind. But yeah, damn. Damn. That is absolutely crazy. Look at this gap, bro. Shush. I know my broker's like 2 seconds late, but damn, man. Come on. That's a big dick gap, bro. Come on. Actually a big dick gap, bro. Come on. I am going to assume we're gonna get a break even at least, so yeah. Probably gonna get break even, which I don't mind. But I will have to count this trade as a break even though it technically kind of hit. It may have technically kind of hit, but it is what it is. Sometimes it will just edge you like this, and you just gotta accept it. It's gonna happen. Just accept the way how it works. I don't mind though. The bias is already bearish from news, so the market makers, they do want to push price lower. That's for sure, because it already manipulated, right? CRT is already working. Like CRT, it's already working. Look at that. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Usually it doesn't distribute until like after candle 2 closes, but sometimes it actually does, like this. This is like an outlier, I guess. Man, I wonder what happened on like the secondly charts, bro. It would be so fucking funny just to see what happens on like the secondly chart. Like imagine just like a crazy ass bang down, bro. Black Monday ass, bro. I can close out now, but no. I'd rather actually just wait because that's better. That's like better to do actually. This is like a news drop, so I don't mind. I wouldn't mind it going back up into break even because that's possible. However, I don't like how this chart is looking. Maybe I can let me look at like other charts to see if it actually cooked me out. Fucking hell. Load, please. Trading view. Trading view. This motherfucker. Can't even look at other charts. Stupid as hell. But yeah, I'm pretty sure like GQ and USD CAD are pretty much invalidated by now. Cause yeah. Look at this CRT, bro. Whoo! Yeah, that thing's definitely coming down to here for sure. It's gonna come down there for sure, bro. Surely. For sure, bro. Come on. I know that thing's coming down till here. If it doesn't, that's fine. You know, it's not like I'm trading it. Thing is ranging. That's not a good thing. Oh well. At least it didn't go like the other way. Fucking stop loss in 1 second, bro. Would you imagine that? Stop loss in a second, bro. I feel bad for whoever had their stop losses over here and then getting raped, bro. Absolutely raped. Like getting cooked. And then seeing like their target being hit. That is so sad. I feel sad for the little like the scalpers. Not really, but like they hopefully they had their risks, rewards and stuff all, made. I'm pretty sure there was some guy who some dude who full ported his account long and he's cooked. For the guys who like actually shorted it like around here or something, congrats, man. Congrats on your like new Lambo or something. I don't fucking know. This thing is really testing my patience here. I don't mind getting broke even. Broke even? The fuck is a broke even? Well, okay, that is very liquid, very volatile, and we're broke even. GG's, come on. Don't edge me, bro. Just break even, bro. It's not that hard. Don't edge me, please. Come on. Yep, just go up. Yep. There you go. All right, good job. Yay, we're out. Let's go. W. Actual W. I look so weird. Damn. Alright, well, that's that. Like, I mean, I can't really argue with that. It's just what it is. I don't mind. However, let me go on another chart or something, bro. It It is what it is, bro. It is what it is. It hit here on Awanda as well. That's sad. Let's search Euro USD on like random ass shit. What is this? What is that? Forex. Yeah, it also hit on this, so dang. Okay. That's just what it is. How am I supposed to journal this? Like, it was a loss. This is a loss, man. Well, break even at best. Would have been nice if it actually, went hit TB, but sometimes, this will happen, and you just gotta accept it. I'm lucky I got out with a break even, and like not a stop out, so yeah. I'm gonna pull it down a bit just so I know this thing didn't hit. This is so ugly, bro. Look at this fucking wick, bro. I have never seen a wick this long, bro. That is funny, bro. Damn. Actually funny. Alright, I'm gonna go journal this one. That is an unfortunate break even, you know. But that is what it is. I am not gonna look at it longer. Just gonna accept what happened and just move on, because it's a Friday and I wanna have I wanna be good for now. I don't know what I'm talking about. Shut up, bro. Oh well, I'm grateful. It didn't go the other way instead. Because the thing is, on like a funded account where I actually have two positions and I was able to take partials at the 50%, I would be in a profit right now. You know? If you look at it that way, I'm in profit. I'm fine. That's how I look at it. Because if you look at it any other way, you'll be mad, and being mad doesn't really give you anything. So, yeah. This is a W in my eyes. W. And yeah, let me just go ahead, put this into FX Journal, and we are ending this week on a bit of a drawdown, but that is very fine. That is that's very fine. I don't really. 13296, 1.13296, 1.13296, boom, 1.05 today, boom, boom. We are down what, 2% this week. That's fine, one break even, two break even. This would have been profit. This would have been profit. And this one's just a straight loss. No, this one's just like, whatever. That one's a range closeout. So, yeah, I would actually be in profit on a real, funded account where I had two positions. So I'm not mad. I'm actually happy because, this would look like a 66% win rate with 66% break even. I know that sounds stupid, But this week, I won 2 trades out of 3. Why? Because partials, right? I would have taken partials this week on these 2 trades, on when they hit 50%. So I would be in profit. I'd be in fucking profit. Hell yeah, man. That's a W. I don't mind. Average weekly return -2%. Hell yeah. Let's go. Alright, that's pretty much it. Thank you all for watching. Uh, good luck, good trading on your own journeys, and be careful, because if it if you're gonna gamble on news like I did kind of here, uh, you could technically lose everything. So make sure you manage your risk correctly, and only take trades that you can actually handle. With that, yeah, thank you all for watching. Bye bye. See you next time, or next week, I guess.